Nothing like that sweet, beautiful morning harvesting, I tell you. Good morning, everybody. It is Randy. Cupcake Market Farms out here in Texas City. Just after 6 a.m. on a Saturday morning, and I'm out here getting ready to pick some arugula. Today will be our very first time to go to what we've always known as Friendswood Hardware, which is now known as the Garden Emporium, to sell our greens. Last night, my wife and I, we picked 26 pounds of the mixed greens. But this morning, I wanted to do about 10, 15 pounds of arugula, get it nice and fresh for everybody. Now, I realize there's a greens cutters, but I'm still using knives, only because I can get right in there. Look at that beautiful, beautiful green. Oh, that is fantastic. In fact, I'm not going to even... Oh, yeah. But before I get picked on that, how about I give you guys a little garden tour? Let me grab that camera. Got another row of arugula that is truly ready, but we're going to pick this one. I think it was Tuesday or Wednesday. And by the way, today is November the 8th on a Saturday. Last night we butchered, that's a good word for it, the mixed lettuce greens. I did 2 rows of that. And again, about 28 pounds, I think, is what we ended up with. Not too bad. And then, of course, a week ago, you guys saw me cut that row of arugula, which we got 16 pounds out of. And that one's about ready to be cut a second time. Cucumbers are still looking great. This is one thing that's just blowing my mind. This bok choy, which, again, I'm desperate to get out of here and separate those or thin them out a little bit, like I did for this row, which, you know, they got to spend, I don't know, a week and a half or so under that shade cloth. A couple in the back aren't looking very happy, but perhaps I can give them some loving. But here's some bok choy, folks. Got garlic growing. This is so beautiful. I love that we're doing this, and I'm looking forward to meeting all of you folks down there at the Friendswood Market this morning. And it starts at 9 a.m. Oh my. But by the time you see this, it may be already over. But you guys know this is how we live down here in Texas City. We believe in fully organic, no pesticides, no chemicals, no wax. I mean, if your vegetables have more wax on it than your wife's Chevy Tahoe, you might want to get some different vegetables. But that's our approach, no-till, 100% organic. I absolutely love it. This is about eating and supporting our health and doing what's right for our family. So I just wanted to keep you guys for just a minute. Let me spin that around one more time. Have a look at our low ton. The okra is doing extra well. I just watered it before I come over here, just as the daylight's starting to creep up. And gosh, there's still some morning dew out there. Gotta absolutely love that. Love the mornings here in Houston, especially in the fall and the spring when the sun's not too high yet. Potatoes are looking great. Well, you guys be blessed. And again, the Garden Emporium out in Friendswood is where you will find my wife and I today. 9 a.m. until we're sold out. We figured before lunch we should easily be sold out because we only have about 45 pounds total of our greens. And then next time around we should have fresh green beans, some cucumbers, maybe some beets. I don't know. Just depends on how fast we get in there. Oh, them tomatoes. You guys want to see that real quick? Let me show you my tomatoes. They sure are looking beautiful inside this greenhouse. Look at that. Oh my. Now these are all of the large cherries, also known as Husky. And in fact, I clipped those 2 yesterday because they were hanging or starting to bend like this one is. So I may need to do that before long too. But I just let these ladies go crazy, and we just enjoy their veggies all winter long.